Hi friends and fellow YouTubers. Today I will show you how to create a dynamic API response to be kept ready to feed it to ChatGPT using pure Python, no HTML, no CSS, no JavaScript, using only dash and regex. Step to follow, you can see it on the screen. So I will quickly start with the demo. I will go to this link. I have started my dash app. I will give a query. Okay. Forget about the other. So name I have backed in movie and name is Amir Khan. Movie Three Idiots. Song is All Is Well. Lagan. So you can see the ChatGPT response for this. You can pair it to ChatGPT and get an appropriate answer. Thank you for the video.